Hi guys, it's Julie with Enhanced by Julie. Are you seeing this gorgeousness? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? This is not even human hair. This is synthetic hair and it is a wig. So if you want to find out the perks on this hair, please stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. And before moving on, just go down below and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and do it before I give you all the juicy good details on this hair. Bye. Today, this wig comes from Harlem 125. Here is my pack. For those of you who know Harlem 125, if you don't know, if you ever heard of Kima Ocean Wave crochet hair or Kima Ripple Deep, that brand, that crochet hair is also made by Harlem 125, and so they make wigs now. Well, I think they've been making wigs. I'm just jumping on board. This wig is the FLS 11. I did get it in a color number 1. It does come with a 4x4 lace closure, and it gives you the option to do a middle part, a right part, or a left part. Isn't that beautiful right there? I'm a number 1 type of girl. I really don't wear too much color. However, I am planning to venture out and purchase color hair. But for right now, I have this wig in a number 1. So let's take it out and let's see what we have. This is the wig. It comes like your typical synthetic wig with the paddings and anything. I hope when I put it on it looks like, okay. This is how the wig looks in the inside. This is the structure of the inside of the wig. It has 2 combs on the side at the temple area. It has a comb in the back. It has an adjustable wig band. And this right here is the closure part. Okay, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut this closure off. Let's go ahead and cut that off. Okay guys, so I cut the lace off and this right here is the wig. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to go ahead and adjust these straps to the tightest because I do have a small head. The size of my head is on the smallest side. With measurements, my head is probably 21 inches in circumference, but I'm going to adjust this tight as I can get it. Usually with these adjustable bands, I have to overlap them so the wig can fit my hair perfectly. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to overlap it because I want it to fit snug. I have this stocking cap on, this wig cap. And what I'm going to do, because it's lighter than my skin tone, I'm going to take some powder. I have some L'Oreal Infallible powder. And I'm just going to tap that on. Here it is. This is the wig and I'm about to put this baby on. This is her. Okay. Let me see. Let me get a part in here. See, this is the lace. Let me pull this down in the back. Let me secure this with the tabs. I have a comb right here, so I'm gonna stick it in the braid. Okay guys, I'm gonna come up some because I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I am gonna take some black eyeshadow. I just pulled one of my drugstore palettes. I'm gonna take the black, and instead of going around the lace with the brown, I'm just gonna do black. I think that'll help the lace blend in more. This is a synthetic wig, however they say you can put heat on it. I should have tried the glue down method just to see if that'll work, but I think what I'm doing now, it'll be perfect. Okay, I'm going to commit to this side part. I'm going to commit to a side part, so I'm going to leave the part in right there. Maybe over a little bit. I'm going to commit. Like if you want to pluck this part or to make it look more natural or whatever, I'm gonna leave it as is for right now. I think the parting space looks actually good. I just want to make it look as realistic as I can, and I'm gonna go ahead and do something with my edges. I just have some ORS edge control with the edge brush, and I'm gonna just slick those babies down. I think it'll help with the overall look. Well, let me get some baby. I think this wig has a little bit of baby hair. Okay. Let me see this part right here. Okay. That's for the edges. And I love the curl pattern on this. They just have like a beach curl, like an effortless curl to it. Love it, love it, love it. This right here, it does say it can take up to 400 degrees heat. So what I'm going to do is just to get the flatten the parting space down, I'm going to take it on here and just see what happens. This is synthetic, y'all, so I hope I don't melt the wig. Oh, it's working so far. I got it set on the highest setting. I ain't trying to melt nothing. When you get these wigs out of the pack like this, to make them look realistic, you're gonna have to customize it to your hair. You're gonna have to customize it, because if not, that'll make it look less wiggy, I would say. See that? And what I'll do tonight is that when I take this off, I'll probably put this on my mannequin and probably tie a tight scarf down just to hold this part right here down. And it does say this hair, it will take up to 400 degrees. So I flatten this out and that worked perfectly. So now I'm gonna see if I curl it. Let me get a piece from the, I'm gonna grab a piece from the back, just in case, you know what I mean? Because I like this wig and I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna do a piece from the back and let's see what happens. Did it? It did something. Let me take this earring out and do another piece for you. I'm just going to take a small piece from the back and see what happens. Oh, got a little bit of tangling. As you can see, this is what the hair looks like now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the hair around this wand. The wand is set at 400 degrees, so we're going to see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. That should be good enough. It did absolutely nothing. I think what it did is straighten out the hair. That's what it did. It just straightened out the hair. The hair doesn't even have any curl to it anymore. So I'm not gonna put any I don't trust it to put heat on it, because the curl pattern that it do have, I want to be able to keep this effort. I just love this curl pattern. Okay guys, this is the hair. This is the hair in the back. I think eventually I'm going to try the glue down method and see if it'll work on this lace closure. It is so big though, because if you see, the lace goes from here to here. So I wonder if the glue down method will work. Overall, I like this wig. I can tell you now I'm going to wear this wig until I can't wear it no more. Again, this is the Harlem 125 in the style FLS 11. I do have it in the number 1. I didn't pluck the part or anything. All I did is put a little concealer on the part, flattening with the curling wand. What I will say when using this curling wand, the only thing that it did is it straightened out the hair. It did not curl the hair for me. It just straightened out the piece that I put around the wand. I'll put the link below on where I got the hair from. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig to add to your collection, I'll put the link below. This wig was $40. I think this is a good buy. This is something when you're in between hairstyles and you need a wig to go to, this could be a go-to wig. It's very pretty, very voluminous, the density of it is pretty good. It's not thin whatsoever. If you want me to come back with a 1 to 2 week review on this hair, just please comment below and I'll do that for you guys, because I'm planning on wearing this wig for the next week or two. I think I'm gonna switch it up with a middle part as well. And again, I want to thank you all for supporting me and my channel. This is Enhanced by Julie, and I'm out.